If you're not sure how your podcast, video, or interactive article could go, you can do just what you do when you're stuck as a writer. You can study a mentor text as an example of what you're trying to create. I find it helps to study a mentor text and ask, what did this writer do? How did this writer do that? Then you can try out some of those same moves in your own writing. Ready to give this a try? Pull out a text that's like what you're trying to create and get started studying it. The next tip is revising on the run. When you work on a writing project over a few weeks, there's often time to draft quickly and then to go back and revise. With this project, there's no separate time to revise. That means you'll need to revise on the run. You'll have to be critical from the very beginning, asking, how could this go better? You might watch a bit of your documentary and think, is this as strong as can be? Or orally rehearse how your podcast might go and think, does this flow? Here are some questions you can ask yourself as you revise on the run. Hooking your audience and getting them to engage with your text matters because if they're not engaged, they'll probably won't stick around. One way to hook your audience is to add a pitch of drama. Let me share a few tips about how creators add drama in different formats. Think about which of these tips you can take on and apply to your own writing. If you're creating a podcast, you'll want to add sound effects, add quotes from other speakers, and include dramatic pauses. If you're creating a documentary video, you'll want to add sound effects, include dramatic pauses, use color to make a point, and use compelling visuals. If you're making an interactive article, you'll want to link to interesting articles, videos, and websites. Lay out your article so that it's visually interesting and add text features. All right, readers, it's time to finish your final project. Off you go.